Alright, gonna let the animal free from the wall.
Alright. Cover me. I'm going in.
He's got the curtain on. It should do. In case of flies. Yeah, it's a bird. It's a bird. Put the bird.
Told you it was a bird.
Alright.
You got him?
No.
You want? Hey, there's gloves in my Jeep.
Well, you can run out there and get him, can't you?
Fucking crow.
You want?
Is it a crow?
I think.
Chad, you want the gloves?
You got him with the curtain?
Fuck no, I ain't got him with the curtain. I'm just trying to fucking hold him back.
Alright, let's help him out
He's
here.
attacking me. Hold up.
Do you need to move that door?
Yeah.
Alright.
Take it out completely.